Hello guys, welcome on channel from Zero to Millionaire. My name is Krzysztof and today we will be speak how to earn money watching YouTube videos.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
Today I want to show you how to earn money selling Facebook likes, YouTube's subscription, YouTube's views, TikTok views, and you ask me how to do this. Very simple. We can use tools, very nice tools, and this tools is called Add Me Fast, and you can join to this platform for free. And when you create your account, you get first 200 points for free. So how to create account? Very simple. Go here to registration, type your email, password, repassword, configure reCAPTCHA and sign up. When you sign up to this program, you can use this form to log in. When you create your account and you log in to this platform, you can see here on the top how many points you have. I have at the moment 16 points. How I can use in this platform to get free Facebook like, for example, or I can sell it. But first, I want to show you how to earn these points. First option to earn these points it was creating account and get 200 for free. Simple, simple. Second option is use this option from here. Like you see here is 3 points. And here is a lot of option how you can earn points on this platform. For example, Facebook likes, Instagram followers, Twitter tweets, YouTube subscriber likes views. I very like YouTube views, so I click on this. And like you see, I need to watch video. And this is my topic on this video. So how to earn money watching YouTube videos. Very, very simple. Like you see is you need, you need watch this video for 150 seconds and get 40 points. So what do you need? You need a push button view videos. And like you see, it's open new tab with YouTube with video. So you need to watch this video for 115 minutes. And here you have counter. When this counter going to 150, you get 40 points. Like you see, 150 minutes gone, a counter stop, and I can get 14 points automatically. But sometimes this platform has some verification, so you need to go through this verification code and push button submit. And voila, like you see, I have now 108 points. So very simple a method to grab the points. When you stop this video, we can go to the next video. How I can additional get some points, not only from this section 3 points, you can always get grab points from daily bonus. So to get daily 500 or more bonus points, you need supplement these requirements what is here. So you need to make at the last 100 clicks to be able to 500 daily bonus. So I make only 2 clicks today, so I am not counting to daily bonus. But if you will be click every day and you supplement these requirements, you can every day get 500 points or more. Next good option to earn points is referral program. Like you see, you get 999 points for each person who you refer. And how to do this? Very simple. grab this link, what is generated for you, and send to your friends who creating an account from your link. Or if you have some YouTube channel, some Twitter, Facebook, you can always share of your social media networks to person or register to this platform. Okay. Everything look very nice, but how to earn money if I get only points? And this is a very interesting question, and I want to answer for it. So, to get money from this platform, you need to use another platform, what is called playersapp.com. This is platform where people selling accounts, selling likes, subscribers, and something like this. And if we have points, like you see 100, we can offer this option on this platform. So, for example, you want to sell Facebook likes. So you go to bottom of this page, and here's all other games and marketplace. So go there. And now you see a list of all program what you can sell. In all case will be Facebook. So like you see here is Facebook. You can click on this. And here is option. Facebook accounts buy sell. Facebook advertisement, Facebook commenting, Facebook group members, Facebook friends, Facebook followers, Facebook likes, Facebook share, Facebook shares, Facebook view, Facebook subscriber. In our case, will be Facebook likes. So like you see, here's example what people creating offer. You can make the same. So you need to create account. Here is button to sign up. You need to log in and prepare here your offer. For example, here is 2,000 Facebook likes, like you see, and cost $20. Here is 15 Facebook likes, $3. 100 Facebook likes, $15. So you can create offer here with a similar price to earn money. And somebody, if somebody want to buy this, click button now, and when they buy this, you get money for it, and of course you get link to their, for example, fan page. Okay, so how to put on this Facebook this likes? We need back to this at mefast.com, and here is button add site and pages. So push button, and we need select type. For example, Facebook likes. Of course, if you want to sell, I don't know, Instagram followers or TikTok followers, you can make the same on this platform, and you need to change the type. In our case, will be Facebook likes. Here you need select. These likes will be all countries from whole world, or only from separated country. For in this example will be whole world. Next is title. You type name of this Facebook channel, Facebook fan page. Here is page URL. So you typing here URL what you get from your customer. Next, you need set how many clicks. So if we making Facebook likes, and we, for example, selling 100, so we typing here 100 clicks. If we want to make some daily limitation, for example, add only 10 clicks per day, so we type 10. If we don't set this, all 100 clicks will be making in 1 day. And here is a value of your 1 click. So 1 click is cost 25 points. So in this case, the 100 clicks will be cost 2,500 for this product. And that's all. Now you can start earning money online on this two platform. One platform where you get points. Second platform where you putting your efforts. When you get some customers, you back to the first platform, creating link to this offer what you get from your customer. Setting you set clicks, title, page URL, countries, type, CPC, and you push button save changes. And that's all. If you have any question, put this question to description. And if you earn money with this program, put information how you like this solution.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.